In today's video, I will be showing you how to get the new Battle.net app interface. As you can see, I'm currently using the normal GUI that you get with Battle.net, but there is now a brand new interface, and I must say it does look pretty awesome. The first thing you need to do is sign into your Battle.net app, and once you are on the app like I am now, you now need to click on this button in the top left hand corner, the Blizzard icon, and you then need to click on settings. We now need to go down to beta, and you now need to click on switch to beta, and we then need to click yes. Don't worry if you don't like the new interface, or you just don't like the beta version of the program, maybe you're having a few issues with it, then you can easily switch back by going back onto the settings, clicking on beta, and then you will see a little button to switch back. Once you have this window pop up, you now need to restart the Battle.net app. And once the Battle.net app has restarted, you will now have the nice new fresh interface, like I do at the moment. And in the top left hand corner, you will straight away see all games. If you click on this button, you can then see all the games you can purchase through this app. We also have stars on these games. Basically, this allows us to remove our favourites or add favourites to the favourite bar at the top here. As you can see, mine currently has Black Ops. If I just unfavourite this little game button here, it has now been removed from my favourite bar. If I then select the star again, it's now been added back to the bar. If we close down all games by clicking on the all games button again, we can then cycle through all our favourite games by just simply clicking on the game. You may have also noticed when you do click on the game, you also have the latest news for that game. As you can see below, it's got the latest news for Diablo and Black Ops and Warzone. We also have the play button on the left hand side down in the bottom left, as you can see here, and on the right hand side we have our friends, so we can go ahead and chat to our friends through the app. We can also click on the shop tab at the top, and we can then go to the store to purchase a game if we want to. And that pretty much brings us to the end of this new interface. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.